Every year, over 1.3 million people die on our roads, and millions more are seriously injured. Vulnerable road users account for over half of these road fatalities. This means that every 24 seconds, someone is killed on a road, which draws a significant cost and heartache to local communities. Incident data has been the primary indicator for road safety improvements, but this means waiting for a conflict to happen in order to take action. At VivaCity, we believe it shouldn't have to cost a life to make our roads safer. For every accident, there are many near-miss events, but accurately capturing this data in real time has not been possible until now. Introducing Smart Road Safety with VivaCity. Using advanced AI power and computer vision, we can accurately detect dangerous road interactions and their root cause. The near-miss feature offers conflict data between vehicles and cyclists, vehicles and pedestrians, and vehicle-to-vehicle. With this data, it's possible to proactively identify the hazardous areas and assess the impact of any road safety intervention. Accelerate your path to Vision Zero by capturing near-miss data. Identify incidents before they even happen and help save lives with VivaCity.